Good morning, students. Hope you'll be fine at your respective places. In continuation to our topic, there's a nitrogen metabolism. Today, we are going to discuss how this atmospheric nitrogen is being fixed. And we know we have got two types of this, what we call as a nitrogen fixation. First one is the physical nitrogen fixation, and second one is the biological nitrogen fixation. Today, we are going to discuss this physical nitrogen fixation, and this physical nitrogen fixation, it is of two types. First one, that is called as atmospheric nitrogen fixation. That is the first type. And we have got the second type, and that is called as biological nitrogen fixation. See what happens in this atmospheric not biological, it is industrial, beta, it is industrial nitrogen fixation. See what happens this, how we can differentiate these two types. In atmospheric nitrogen fixation, what happens there? In atmosphere, two processes are going to happen. First one is the lightning, and second one is thundering. Due to lightning and thundering of clouds, in clouds, we will see atmospheric nitrogen and atmospheric oxygen, they combine together and they form nitric. This, what we say, they form the nitric oxide. Due to atmospheric what we call in atmospheric क्या होता है, due to lightning and thundering of clouds, this atmospheric nitrogen and this atmospheric, they combine to form this nitric oxide. This nitric oxide is further oxidized to form the nitrogen dioxide. It forms the nitrogen dioxide. This, what we'll see, it forms the nitrogen dioxide. Now this nitrogen dioxide, further it combines with the water, and this water jo hai, it is in the form of what we call as the water vapor to form the nitric acid and nitrous acid. It forms the nitric acid and it forms the nitrous acid. Now these acids, both these nitric acid as well as nitrous acid, they fall on the earth as acid rain. Both these acids, now we'll see what did they do. They react with the alkaline radicals to form the water soluble nitrates and nitrites. Like this, वो reaction कैसे हो जाएगी? H nitric acid, it combines with the calcium or potassium radicals, या potassium salts rather, या alkaline salts to form the potassium nitrate, calcium nitrate, or we can say potassium nitrate. So this is a usable form which can be used by the plants. So what happens in the atmospheric nitrogen, we will repeat it again. Due to the lightning and thundering of clouds, what we will see, atmospheric nitrogen and atmospheric oxygen, they combine together to form the nitric oxide. This nitric oxide, it undergo further oxidation to form nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide, what we will see, it combines with the water. That water is present in the atmosphere in the form of water vapor to form the nitric acid and nitrous acid. both these nitric acid and nitrous acid, what did they do? They react with what we call alkaline radicals. They react with the alkaline radicals to form the water soluble nitrates and water soluble nitrites. For example, nitric acid, it combines with the calcium or potassium salts to form the calcium nitrate or potassium nitrate. Now we have got second one, that is this industrial nitrogen fixation. In industries, nitrogen and hydrogen, and this hydrogen, it comes from the water. Nitrogen and this hydrogen, they combine together, they form ammonia, and whole of this process, it takes place at high pressure and high temperature. Nitrogen and hydrogen, this hydrogen from the water at high temperature and pressure, it gives this what we will called as this ammonia, and this ammonia it forms. अब हम ammonia से क्या देखते हैं? This ammonia which can be used, this ammonia it can be used, this ammonia it can be used to produce nitrogenous fertilizers like this urea and other ammonium compounds which are essential for the plants for their growth and development. Those compounds are mainly in the form of nitrates or nitrites. So what happens in the industrial nitrogen fixation? Nitrogen and hydrogen at high pressure and high temperature, they combine together to form the ammonia. This ammonia is used to form the various nitrogenous fertilizers like urea and other ammonium compounds, and these ammonium compounds, they are essential for the growth, for the development of the plant. So this was all about this physical nitrogen fixation, which we had discussed into under two categories. First one is the atmospheric nitrogen fixation, and second we have discussed in this industrial nitrogen fixation. So this was all about this physical nitrogen fixation, and tomorrow we are going to start second aspect of this nitrogen fixation, that is the biological nitrogen fixation, where we will see how the living organisms, they help us in fixing the atmospheric nitrogen. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.